What was lost? My Nana's Franciscan china. We had special dinners on at my grandparents' home, Sundays and holidays, handed down to me just a year ago. My baby clothes and my baby book. My Girl Scout uniform. The pink stuffed bunny my dad gave me when I was in the hospital as a child. My Nana's costume jewelry I would play with as a child and was given after she died. My little gold and diamond ring for my 16th birthday. My dad's ashes. The gold bracelet my mother and father-in-law gave me when we were married. Our wedding album. My family's tree dating back to the 1700s. My daughter's baby clothes, hospital bracelets, and photographs. All of their artwork, notes, and high school yearbooks, diplomas, and family videos. Baby and childhood photos of my oldest daughter, Lana, because she was born before our world became digital. Oil paintings of both of my girls by the late artist Nancy Kiernan. Analog voice recordings of Malia singing at 3 years old, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Alana's senior prom dress, and sadly, her first Christmas dress. My kitty Sashi's whiskers in a little metal heart-shaped box and her collar.
I grew up in. The Boo Bear that was my uncle's before he died. The stacks of journals I wrote in since the time I learned to write. The box of letters my first love and I wrote to each other. The saddle I rode my childhood horse Ranger in. All of our family videos and photographs.
The first thing I found while sifting was a quarter. My father passed 25 years ago, and he leaves me a quarter when he visits me. My blue piggy bank was given to me by my paternal grandmother, where I saved allowance and the wooden nickels they used to give us at the A&W. A little jewelry box my client gave me, and I kept safety pins in on my vanity. Pieces of a little wind chime with dragonflies given to me by my friend Brianna Gwen Herbst. She lived across the street from us. She gave it to me for my birthday. Alana's porcelain Madeline tea set. Seashells from Zuma Beach in Malibu we had made into a peace sign in our front yard.
Handmade mugs from my Aunt Marguerite, my mother's special pin from her friends, the scissors my father used to cut my umbilical cord, my grandmother's pie serving spoon, one of the food dogs from our back porch, glass from our kitchen window, our forks and knives and spoons. One Christmas ornament from my collection with my partner Dan. The coffee can I saved coins and special trinkets in. The cigar box my friend Keneza gave me that I kept special photos inside. The necklace I brought my mother back from Italy. The porcelain lid to the box my mother kept our baby teeth in. My lucky horseshoe. My dog Harlan, whose family lost their farm in the fire.